Hi, fashionpreneurs. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my time. Anywhere you are all over the world, you're welcome back to the Matalias. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this beautiful head scrunchie, which is what I use to combine this dress. So I promised you guys I was going to teach you guys how to make the scrunchie, and today here I am. I kept my promise, right? So let's get on with the video. If this is the first time stopping by, please subscribe, like my video, like my content. This will let other people see the video. This will also help YouTube algorithm to push this video out there. Please, I'm below 100 subscribers right now. Please subscribe, like, and also share to fashionpreneurs, share to sweets, share to every other person that might be interested in this video. Before further ado, let's get started. So guys, to start off with this video, like as you can see on my table, I have rubber bands, one each rubber bands. I also have my scissors, I have my pins, I have my measuring tape, and I also have this largest pieces of material, which is 10 inches wide and 60 inches long. I also have this medium sized wrapper, which is 3 inches wide and 15 inches long. Then I have the smallest smallest material, which is 4 inches wide and 15 inches long. Then I have my rubber band, which is 7 inches long with 1 inches wide. So this is what we are going to be needing for this video. So as you can see right now, this rubber band, I'm going to fold it to make sure that it fits what I'm going to be using it for. 8 inches. I later added 1 inches for my sewing allowance, so that is what I am doing right now. So guys, to make up for my design, I'm going to be using this orange color material. That is what I'm going to be adding at the left and right hand side of the scrunchie. So I already have for my biggest piece, which is 10 inches wide and 60 inches long. Currently for my biggest piece, I have 22 inches. So I'm just going to be adding an extra this is 13 inches. Yes, so I'm going to be extracting my sewing allowance from there. So to make up for my 60 inches long, I need the same 20 or 21 inches to make up for my 60 inches long, which is what I'm going to be adding at the right and the left hand side to complement this head scrunchie style. So as you can see, I'm going to be cutting out the exact amount that I want to make up. Everything is going to be 16 inches, 60 inches long and 10 inches wide. So that is what I'm going to be doing right now. So just watch me. So guys, as you can see, after taking out 20 inches and 20 inches for both sides for the orange color fabric, then my middle inches also is 21 inches. Then I'm going to join both of them. The width is 13 inches. I'm going to be using the remaining 3 inches for sewing allowance. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead to the sewing machine to sew it like this, just as you can see me illustrate right here. Then I'm going to be sewing it wrong side to wrong side together. Then for the part where I'm going to be inserting my rubber band, I'm going to sew it like so. I'm also going to sew the edge like that. So I'm going to be putting in the rubber band in it, then I'm going to sew it down. Yes. So guys, as you can see, I am done sewing both sides together for my 60 inches long largest piece. Then this orange color piece is also 15 inches long, like I said earlier, and 4 inches wide. This is what we are going to be inserting inside of the largest piece, so we can be able to like drag it together. Then I have my last piece, which is also 4 inches wide and 15 inches long, but my band, note, my band is 8 inches long. So I am going to be using the pin to use it to put the band inside of the piece, so that we can be able to drag it out. So you see the way I folded it, the seam side should be at the middle, not at the sides. You should put it like this. The seam side of the scrunchie should be at the middle, just as you can see. I previously showed you not to use a very tiny piece to insert your band, because it's not going to help the scrunchie relax very well on your head. But if you use 4 inches wide, then put your band inside, it's going to let the scrunchie lay back on your head, and it's going to be very, very comfortable. So just like as you can see, I'm going to be showing you the length, which is 15 inches for the piece we are going to be inserting is our largest piece, and also the piece which we are going to be putting our band is also 15 inches. So you can see right now I am going to be putting, let me reconfirm my length for my largest piece, which is 60 inches for you guys. So guys, as you can see, my scrunchie is almost taking shape. So I'm going to go to the sewing machine right now. I'm going to be sewing the edges together using my pin to hold it down. I'm going to be sewing the edge of the 15 inches piece in the middle, just like as you can see me do. I'm going to use my pin to hold it down. Then in the middle of the largest piece, just as you can see me pin it down together, I am going to be sewing it like exactly like that, straight. I'm going to be sewing both edges straight like that, just like as you can see me do. So guys, after inserting my band, I'm going to be using the pins to hold it down. Note, I also fold the seam side at the middle, just like the same way I did for the largest piece. So you can see after putting the band, I dragged the piece to fit the size of the rubber band, which is 8 inches. Then I used the pin to hold it down on both sides. Then I'm going to be sewing it straight on the sewing machine. I'm going to go to the sewing machine right now and sew both ends on a straight line. Same I'm going to do for the largest part of the scrunchie with my small tiny piece inside. I'm going to be sewing it down. So guys, I have sewed both ends of the band part, and I've also sewn both ends of the scrunchie part, just like as you can see. So right now I am going to be putting the small piece inside like so, just like as you can see me do. Then I am going to be folding it like this, and on the middle, that is where I have my seam side. Then I'm going to be folding it like this. Then I am going to go to the sewing machine right now to sew it down again. So you can see how smooth it looks. There's no sewing edges. I made it very, very smooth. So I'm going to be using the pin to hold it down. Then I am going to go to the sewing machine to sew that part. Then I'm going to be doing same thing for the other parts of from the other side of the scrunchie. I'm going to be putting it like so, fold it very smoothly and neat, so there's no sewing edges showing. Then I am going to go right now to the sewing machine to sew it down, and our scrunchie is almost done. So guys, I have sewn both ends. As you can see how clean and neat it is. So I am done, and this is our scrunchie. So guys, if you watch this video to the end, please subscribe to my channel. I believe you guys are getting value. Subscribe, like. This will help the YouTube algorithm to push this video out so that my YouTube channel can grow. And below 100 subscribers, please like while you're watching this video. Like and subscribe and share to all the fashionpreneurs out there. This is how our beautiful scrunchie looks like. If you don't want yours to be this big or flamboyant, you can make yours the width of the scrunchie, that is the largest part, you can make it to be 7 or 8 inches. Then for the length, you can shorten it if you don't want it to be this big or flamboyant. You can even make 40 inches, you can make 50 inches long, and the scrunchie will still come out really, really beautiful. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe and also share. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.